When installing under sheet vinyl and have zero telegraphing of TraxxShield seams, it is required to double cut those seams. Step 1. Starting at one corner of the room, roll out TraxxShield 99 up to 1/8 of an inch from the wall, and cut the ends to the exact length using a utility knife. You may find that it's easier to handle a piece no greater than 15 to 20 feet in length. Step 2. Fold back half of the piece as shown. Continuously tear away the release liner at the midpoint perforation to expose the black adhesive. Then, fold it back down and affix the TraxxShield 99 to the slab by pressing firmly with your hands. Allow the other half of the piece to rest with the liner still on. Then, roll this section with a 100-pound roller to fully bond to the slab. Step 3. Proceed to roll out the second piece of TraxxShield 99 and overlap the first piece by approximately 1 inch. Put a heavy weight on the second piece to keep it from moving. Double cut a new seam line through the overlap pieces and discard the cuttings. You have now created a tight seam line. Draw set marks at a couple of locations to ensure proper mating of the seam later. Step 4. Open the seam back to allow for the application of the special TraxxShield 99 2-inch moisture seam tape. Draw a straight guideline for the tape. Step 5. Attach the TraxxShield 99 seam tape to the prime concrete slab and run along the guideline. The tape will effectively run along the bottom of the seam. The tape is specially formulated to support the moisture vapor suppression system, so it is imperative to use only TraxxShield 99 seam tape. Step 6. Proceed to remove the release liner from your first piece and press down firmly over the seam tape line. Then, remove the release liner from the second piece and press it down firmly as well. You have now created a perfect seam line. Be sure the seam line is tight by using a hand roller. This perfect seam will not telegraph through any type of floor covering. Step 7. Now use the 100-pound roller to fully bond this section, and then remove the heavy weights, as this section will no longer move. Step 8. Proceed to install each row of TraxxShield 99 and tape accordingly until the room is completely covered. In certain instances, as you come to the end of a roll, there will be a need to create a cross-cut end seam. Be sure to overlap and double cut the end seam first as shown. Then double cut the long seams. Make sure you use heavy weights to hold down each loose piece. And draw set marks where needed. Then repeat the process of drawing your guideline at the seams, applying the seam tape, removing the release liner, folding back the piece, and pressing firmly in place. The TraxxShield 99 installation is now done. You now have a professionally installed moisture barrier. Be sure to keep outside dirt off the TraxxShield 99 surface before you apply the floor covering adhesive.